14-year-old Sarah DeWitt enjoys having a world of information at her fingertips.
But when you sit down and read a book, it is a whole different world. You have like a television set in your mind that only you can see. You can only see the characters, you can see the setting, and you can see the time.
Sarah has been collecting books since writing a letter to her principal asking about a drive to get just one book donated from each of her fellow students. The goal? Share her love of reading with those less fortunate.
I had no clue it was going to be where it is today. Just One Book was just an idea that I wanted to have a reading room for a community center in Bithlo.
That was over 3 years ago. The book donations, though, kept coming in, and now Just One Book is on tour at summer camps, parks, and recreation centers, courtesy of this donated Orange County Library bookmobile.
We've collected over 100,000 books, and we've distributed even more than that.
Sarah's concept of bringing books to kids was kind of like the idea of an ice cream truck, bringing treats to the kids who want them.
And these treats are all free.
Their eyes get this big and they get a really big smile on their face, and they say, "They're free, we can take as many as we want. Wow."
Sarah says she is learning a great deal about other kids.
They say they don't like to read because a lot of the times they either don't have books, they've never picked up a book, and they haven't gotten a book where it's very interesting.
Her parents are drivers and a driving force behind the mission.
You do the collection and then they go right on to the bookmobile. So we got some great titles in here.
The bookmobile is still a work in progress. It needs interior painting and sponsors to keep the bus running.
You know, I could stop right now, but of course I'm not. I'm going to make sure Just One Book gets as big as it can, and so that every kid has a book in their hand and a smile on their face.
Sarah DeWitt, Everyday Hero. For News 13, I'm in Highland.
Now, Just One Book encourages kids to recycle them by sharing with other family members and friends.